Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a UML class diagram in the latest version of Miro AI. Miro AI can generate diagrams from simple text prompts, helping you save time and quickly visualize your system design. Let's get started. First, open Miro in your browser and create a new board or open an existing one. Next, click the purple AI icon on the canvas to open the Miro AI Assistant. In the prompt box, describe the UML class diagram you want to create. For example, create a UML class diagram for an online bookstore system with classes for customer, book, order, and payment. After entering your prompt, click Generate and let Miro AI process your request. Within a few moments, Miro AI will create a diagram based on your description. Depending on your workspace settings, the generated content may appear directly on the board or as a diagram that you can insert onto the canvas. Review the diagram and make any necessary adjustments. You can rename classes, add attributes, modify relationships, and reorganize the layout to better match your project requirements. You can also ask Miro AI to improve the diagram by entering follow-up prompts, such as add inheritance relationships, include user authentication classes, add methods to each class. Continue refining the diagram until it accurately represents your system design. When you're finished, save your board, export it as an image or PDF, or share it with your team for collaboration. And that's it. That's how to create a UML class diagram using the latest version of Miro AI. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Miro tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.